Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through his step-by-step guide on how to send Bitcoin from Cash App. So to get started with the guide on how you can simply send Bitcoin from Cash App, so the first thing to do, which is step one, is to launch the Cash App on your device, which is your mobile. Then tap the Bitcoin icon at the bottom. Then from there, choose send. So tap send or withdraw Bitcoin, then enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Then from there, enter the wallet address. So paste or scan the recipient Bitcoin wallet address. You can use your QR code to avoid error. Then from there, tap next. Then the next step is to confirm and send. So choose the standard, which is a free or slower. Even use a priority fast fee option. Then from there, confirm with your PIN or Face ID. Then if done, the BTC will be sent to the recipient. And that's how you can simply send Bitcoin from Cash App. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.